What if you could build wealth just by listening to the smartest investors in history? No guesswork, no risky trends, just timeless rules from people who've already won the money game and want you to win too. This is the buy, hold, retire rich strategy. And these 5 rules have helped millions reach financial freedom. Let's start with the most legendary voice in investing, Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha. He's worth over $100 billion, yet lives in the same modest house he bought in 1958. Buffett doesn't chase trends. He doesn't time the market. He buys great companies and holds them for life. His golden rule? Don't try to predict the market. Buy great businesses and hold them forever. Buffett says that for 99% of people, the best investment is a simple S&P 500 index fund, and he backs it up with action. He's instructed that 90% of his own estate go into index funds when he's gone. That's how much he believes in the strategy. He also said, when it's raining gold, reach for a bucket, not a thimble. That means when stocks drop, you shouldn't panic. You should buy more. He's built wealth over decades, not days. And one of his most powerful reminders? The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. So if you want to build wealth like Buffett, you don't need a crystal ball. You need a plan and the patience to stick to it. Rule #1, buy and hold for the long haul. Next up, Jack Bogle, the quiet revolutionary who made it possible for everyday people to invest in the entire stock market. He founded Vanguard and created the world's first index fund. His philosophy was simple. Don't look for the needle in the haystack. Just buy the haystack. Instead of guessing which stock will win, just buy them all, for less. Index funds like VSAX or VTI give you exposure to thousands of companies instantly. Bogle's approach wasn't just smart, it was generous. He created Vanguard as a non-profit so investor fees stayed low, because he knew that fees are the silent killer of wealth. Just a 1% fee can cost you hundreds of thousands over your investing lifetime. So Bogle's advice was clear: don't chase managers. Don't try to beat the market. Be the market. Rule #2, own the entire market. Pay as little as possible. Now let's talk about Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett's longtime business partner and one of the sharpest minds in investing. Munger didn't believe in complexity. He believed in long-term thinking, rational behavior, and simplicity. He once said, the big money is not in the buying or the selling, but in the waiting. In other words, patience pays. Too many investors get emotional. They jump in when stocks are hot. Then they panic and sell when markets drop. Munger knew that staying calm during storms is what separates the wealthy from the broke. He also preached the power of avoiding mistakes. He believed in a concept called inversion. Instead of asking how to succeed, ask how to fail, and then don't do that. His advice? Avoid debt, avoid hype, avoid the urge to get rich quick. Rule #3, get rich slow. Now meet J.L. Collins, author of The Simple Path to Wealth, a modern-day investing guide that's helped thousands of people retire early. Collins created his portfolio for his daughter to give her a lifetime of financial security with just one strategy. He says the best investing strategy is the one you'll actually stick to, especially during tough times. He recommends VSAX, a total U.S. stock market fund that owns over 4,000 companies, as his go-to investment. He reminds us that the market always goes up, eventually. Even after crashes, wars, pandemics, and recessions, the market has always recovered and hit new highs. His message? Keep investing no matter what the headlines say. It's not about predicting the next boom or bust. It's about being in the market when it happens. Rule #4, pick a strategy you can live with for 30 years. Finally, let's hear from Ramit Sethi, author of I Will Teach You to Be Rich. While others focus on cutting lattes, Ramit focuses on systems. He says, automation is the key to building lasting wealth, not willpower. Ramit's system is all about making your money work for you without you needing to think about it. He recommends setting up automatic contributions to your Roth IRA or brokerage account every single month. No manual transfers, no stress, no skipped months. And because you're investing on autopilot, you remove emotions from the equation entirely. You don't panic when the market drops. You don't get greedy when it spikes. You just follow your system. He also emphasizes something important. Money isn't just about numbers. It's about living a rich life. For some, that means early retirement. For others, it means freedom to travel, spend time with family, or work on your terms. Whatever your vision is, money is the tool to help you get there. Rule #5, automate your path to wealth. Let's recap these 5 legendary investor rules. Buy and hold. Don't try to time the market, just stay in it. Own the entire market, and do it with low fees. Be patient. The big money comes from waiting. Stick to your strategy, even when it's boring, especially when it's boring. Automate your investing. Build your system once and let it run. The average investor tries to beat the market and ends up underperforming. They panic, they pull out, they try to outsmart everyone else. But the truth is, wealth doesn't come from being smart. It comes from being consistent. And the best part? You don't need to invent your own plan. You can copy the playbook from the greatest investors who've ever lived. Want help putting these rules into practice? I built a passive income planner and a free investing toolkit designed to help you follow these exact principles. Inside, you'll find monthly goal templates, auto-invest tracking sheets, and wealth-building prompts to keep you on track. Click the link in the description to download it now. The investors we covered today didn't just build wealth, they built legacies. And you can do the same. Buy, hold, stay the course, and you'll retire richer than you ever imagined. Subscribe to Nestagroy for more timeless investing wisdom. Your future self will thank you.